Okay, I have this Chicago Electric Harbor Freight 6-inch cutoff saw that I use it occasionally, and the last time I tried to use it, it didn't work, and immediately I thought probably the carbon brushes on either side have to be replaced. So I took the cap off here and also on the other side and took a look at the brush. This is the old one, this is the new one. They look pretty much the same. It wasn't worn that much at all. So I didn't put in a new one. I put the old one back thinking probably it wasn't the problem of the carbon brushes. So I was thinking of taking apart the switch because the problem could be the switch. But before I did that, I read the manual again, and it said you could try cleaning the carbon brush with alcohol. So that's what I did. I dipped some alcohol with a Q-tip. I cleaned the brush, and also I stuck the Q-tip all the way inside, and then I rotate the cutoff wheel, and you can see it comes up a little dirty. So that's what I did, and after I did that, the saw worked again with the old brush. So yeah, that saved me a lot of grief. So all you have to do, clean it with a Q-tip on both sides. Slightly tricky putting the carbon brush back in. You have to put it in this, the brush is sort of rectangular, so you have to put it in that way, and then just screw the thing back, and it worked for me. So yeah, I thought I would share that. I didn't even have to replace the brush because it wasn't really worn. Now it's working again. Yeah, it works. It was only working intermittently. Now it's working 100% of the time. Okay, thanks for watching.